Amazon deal days are finally upon us, and I have a list of Gaahleri products that will be on sale. Plus, a new Amazon discount code that will save you 10% on Gaahleri products. Let's dive into it after the intro. MK Modelworks is officially in collaboration with Gaahleri. From airbrushes to compressors and everything in between, choose Gaahleri for all your airbrushing needs. Click the link in the description to have your 10% discount automatically applied, or use code MKMKS at checkout. Hey everybody, it's Justin with MK Modelworks. So Gaahleri reached out to me and offered me a discount code for Amazon. That code is MKMKS 2026 in light of their upcoming sales on Amazon. The sales will be going from the start of the 23rd of June and running through the 26th of June. It's going to be a flash sale, and they are going to have the Advanced Series GHAD 68 and the GHAD 39, along with their Mobius 0.2 and 0.3 millimeters, and the Swallowtail Barbatos Rex Edition. Along with airbrushes, they do have compressors, such as the GT918 and the Serene Aire GTS 06. Then they have all of their primers, the gloss black, the matte black, the gray, and the white, along with their primary set A, the new primary set B, the Mecha set, and the auto set, as well as their metallic series eraser markers. So you guys be on the lookout, and don't forget to use code MKMKS 2026 at checkout on Amazon to save 10%. Also, you can go to Gaahleri and save 10% by using MKMKS at checkout or clicking the link below. So, I hope this helped you guys out. Keep an eye out for those nice products, and remember what I say, it's always progress over perfection and learning as we go. Y'all have a good one. Thanks for watching.